It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and I'm here with the fit mom, Crystal Lewis, aka my sister. Welcome to another Live Good catch up meeting. This is where we're going to talk about what's going on with our Live Good team and what else we got going on as far as growing our Live Good business. All right, Chris, what's up?
Hey guys, first of all, I want to say that I am super pumped. I know I've been kind of like laid back these last couple sessions, but I'm like super pumped about Live Good and the direction they're going and the opportunity and our team. So, um yeah, I just I'm blown away. I'm blown away by the growth, about how over 300,000 people have joined Live Good
Yeah,
in like 5 months. I
yeah.
mean, that is crazy. And you know what I think it is? Or no, you know what I know it is?
Mm.
People see the potential, people see um the direction that they're going, and plus the products that the membership is giving you these discounts on are absolutely amazing. I don't know what you've tried, but I've tried the super greens, the protein, the super reds, all awesome. But forget all that. Forget all that. I want to talk about how what I think that's really drawing people to Live Good is that it's not like any other company. It's unlike any other network marketing company. It's not auto ship, or you have to buy something every month. The membership alone speaks for itself. And the one thing that just confuses me sometimes, it's mind boggling, I guess, is how somebody can pay a membership for streaming.
Uh-huh.
Somebody could pay a membership for Amazon. They could pay a membership for Sam's Club, Costco, a membership for your car to get your car washed. But people are reluctant to pay a membership for their health, for their well-being, for to make sure that their body's getting everything that it needs to function. And that's what Live Good offers. All the supplements that you need at a discounted price, and the opportunity to be able to make money off of that. That's crazy. So that's all my rambling. That's
Right.
that's
Well, I honestly, I mean, I just said what's up. So I kind of
ah
just expected you to say, "Hey, I'm doing good," and then I was kind of gonna go
you
back, and then we jump.
yeah, you know how I am.
It's all good. It's all
Yeah.
good. You know what I'm saying? I see you behind. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Because you just jumped on the team like what? Not even maybe 2 months ago,
2 months
right?
ago.
With Live Good, and the team that we're part of, Team Diamond, right? Our team is on fire right now. All
He
right.
sure.
A couple of the big hitters that we got on our team is a guy named Curry Russell, which is he doing big things with Live Good. And Kelly, another lady on our team, she was actually a school teacher. All right. She was a school teacher, full-time school teacher, no less than a month ago. She actually quit. She walked away from her full-time teaching job to dedicate herself to Live
Yep.
Good. And she was able
Yep.
to do that because of the Live Good opportunity. So,
Yep.
like, that is why I'm excited. That's why you excited. The earning potential of Live Good and what Live Good stands for is like super,
Crazy.
super dope. So let's talk about you said you took what's your favorite product so far with Live Good? And this kind of
My
just give me one in a quick little why.
I know, I'm a rambler. I can't help it. But the plant-based vanilla protein is amazing. Now, I like to put protein in my oatmeal and my pancakes, of course, my shakes. The flavor, it does not have, and I swear it does not have that weird, um, nasty aftertaste. The vanilla is rich. It tastes, vanilla-y. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
that's
It's
is
really
that a
good,
word?
and I just made it up.
Thanks.
And it's
Thanks.
smooth. It's really smooth, and it's like that's my favorite so far. The super greens taste like super greens. The super reds taste like super reds. So it is what it is with that. But by far, I got to stock up on that again. The
Yeah.
protein, the protein is my favorite.
Yeah. I got the super reds and the organic protein. I still haven't tried the protein yet, but I'm very, very excited about trying it.
Oh, it's good.
But going on to like what we got going on, because we talk all the time about growing the Live Good business and the opportunity.
Hmm.
So, what are some things that you plan on doing to getting the word out about Live Good? Like, I know you just got some drop cards. What is your how you plan on marketing and getting the
Yeah, well, I've been messaging just about everybody, and then especially people that I know that would be interested in this or that would see the opportunity and the value in it. I've been messaging those people. I've been leaving, the drop cards. There's a couple people in my neighborhood that I know that would be interested in it, and just getting it out there, just yeah, handing out the flyers, making my YouTube videos talking about it, the opportunity, and the different products. So that's how I'm planning on getting it going. I want our team to grow. I want to grow with the company.
yeah,
I'm like really blown away. And I don't get pumped up about anything
right. I
except
know.
like Love and Hip Hop or Housewives of Atlanta. That's the only thing that gets me all pumped up. But
Yeah,
this is
and
this is a good thing
And
here.
this is why Live Good is so damn dope, is because now I'm an internet online marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTuber, network marketer. I'm all of that when it comes to that, online entrepreneur stuff. And I'm definitely all in when it comes
Mhm.
to Live Good. Now, you, on the other hand, you got a full-time job, you do fitness, you do have a fitness, your YouTube channel, you know what I mean, the Fit Mom, right? You got that
Mhm.
going on. You got a little book, you wrote all that, but you're not a traditional like affiliate
Mhm.
marketer, network marketer,
Absolutely not.
right? And you
Yeah.
are excited about Live Good. So it really kind of stretches like across all, I don't even know the right word to say, but all kinds of people will be into
Mhm.
Live Good and this opportunity. You don't have to be a online guru entrepreneur to be
Mhm.
involved with Live Good and to be successful with Live Good, right? You can just be a normal person and just say, you know what? I want an extra income. I'm into health and wellness, right? And you can get involved with Live Good. That's why I can't
Well,
wait to pop off with this.
and you know what? That's how I started off. Remember, I was like, well, if I can get these supplements for a discount, get my super
Right.
greens and protein. That's how I started off. I was like, oh, okay, whatever. But then when I saw the value with that, right? The products. But
Mm-hmm.
then I saw the opportunity. So that's when I was like, you know what, this is something I want to get behind. This is
Yeah.
something I definitely want to. I mean, there's so many different things I could be an affiliate of, but if I don't support it or like it, then I'm not going to do it. It's not genuine for me. I'm like,
Right.
but this I'm like fully behind it. So that's all I got. If I'm into it and I'm totally not into like network marketing and stuff, it's like it's not even about that. It's
Yeah.
it's just the opportunity for anyone that's in anything. You know what I mean? So that
Yeah.
was a
Live Good is so cool. I feel good. I feel like excited to share the Live Good link,
yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
if you're watching this, by the way, and you haven't jumped on Live Good yet, all you got to do is click the first link in the description and check out the Live Good tour. It's only 5 minutes. It'll let you know everything you need to know about this opportunity and how dope it is and how you can get
Mm-hmm.
started. And when you join our team, right? We don't leave you hanging, right? We have brainstorming sessions. We
Oh,
actually
yep.
reach out to you if you want it. We will help you and guide you in the right direction to help you start growing your Live Good business. Because, guys, if you're watching this, like you need to understand, like this is one of them opportunities that you'll probably look back on maybe a year, maybe 2 years. You're gonna
Yep.
look back and be like, damn, oh man, what if I would have got involved with that a year ago or 2 years ago? I should have got with them. Because look at all these people balling off of Live Good. Look at all these, like how this company is exploding. And one quick thing before I go, right now we're mainly with the health and wellness products. But here's the thing about Live Good. In the next few months and the next few years, they are coming out with several different lines of
Mm-hmm.
products. So you're going to be good to go just as a Live Good member and as an affiliate. you are in the position, you're in a win-win position. All right. So check that out. Anything you want to say, any final words, quick words before we get out of here and wrap this up?
No, basically anybody that watches this video should at least take the time to take the Live Good tour. So that's all I got.
All right, that's it. Hey, we'll be back with another Live Good catch up video, probably in a week or so. So stay tuned, and hopefully, we will see you on the team.
All right.
Hey.
Bye, guys.